Will a Fairfax County judge throw out the jury's verdict in the Johnny Depp-Amber Heard trial? Heard's legal team asking her to do just that. And Fox 5's chief legal correspondent Katie Barlow live tonight with why. All right, Katie, what are the odds that this really happens?
So Amber Heard's legal team is asking the judge out here in Fairfax County to throw out the 6-week trial that we all were there for, including the jury's decision that she owes Depp over $10 million for defamation. And she's saying through her legal team that the attorneys in this case missed that a juror who sat on the jury was actually the wrong person. Now, this was a Friday filing that was made at the end of last week where her legal team made the argument to the judge for a mistrial, saying that juror number 15, who is 52 years old, was not the one who was supposed to serve on the jury. Juror 15 lives at the same address and has the same last name as the person who was supposed to be on the jury, who's 25 years his senior and was born in 1945. Now, Heard's team says in the filing she has a right to rely on the basic protection under the Virginia law that jurors in this trial would be individuals who were actually summoned for jury duty. She's asking for a mistrial to throw out the 6-week trial and start all over again. But that's a really big ask in Virginia.
A mistrial is a pretty radical remedy in Virginia. And so normally the courts, especially judges, are very reluctant to overturn something that a jury has already decided. And so I would say without some sort of grounds that, that there definitely was prejudice to Amber Heard, I just don't see it happening.
I spoke with a number of attorneys since Friday. All of them said they've actually never heard of this specific set of facts happening where the wrong juror gets seated on a civil trial. I spoke with one Virginia attorney today who said she could recall it happening once in a criminal trial. That was in West Virginia, but that actually ended in a mistrial. Now today, Johnny Depp's legal team filed their response. They basically said that Amber Heard's argument is too little too late, that she should have made it well before now if she wanted to make this argument, and that even if it is true, if the wrong juror sat on the jury, she hasn't been able to prove that it prejudiced her or hurt her in any way. Back to you.
Katie, is there an appeals mechanism on the civil side, or is this just the last-ditch effort that she would have?
Yes, there is an appeals mechanism. She's going through that process right now, but this is happening at the trial court level at the same time, where it happens after trial. They go through post-trial motions and make all these asks. But as you just heard from Amy there, getting a mistrial in those post-trial motions is just, it's a radical step.
All right, we'll see what happens there. Katie Barlow live tonight in Fairfax County.